Hey everyone, it's Jen from Worth the Wait. We are going to be doing a unboxing today for our Mealie Bianca vegan handbag line. We did that in the spring and it was really successful, so I thought you guys could be the first to kind of see what we have coming in. So, burgundy continues to be a really hot color for this season. So we got this is called the Kylie. We'll take these out. This is really nice. It's got, let's see, it's got like the flaps on the outside, and then on the inside, it has a ton of room. So you can kind of see. And then it looks like it has a little tassel also that is on the outside, and then it comes with its straps, so you can wear it, you know, carry it like a little satchel, or you can have it as a over your shoulder. So that's really cool. Let's see. Oh, we got the same bag in the saddle color, rich brown, like a chestnut brown. I love that color. Kind of forget what I order sometimes. It happens in July and then it comes in September, October. All right, so this one is the Isabel. Oh, this is cool. I like the rivets, the riveting on this, and it looks like it's adjustable. And I love the outside of this too. And again, there's plenty of space in there, and it does come with a strap. So you can wear it like this, or have it with the strap on the outside. But this is a really cool bag. I love the gold detail, the gold hardware. Next, let's see. We have some smaller ones, which is really nice if you don't like a big bag, which I see a lot of people kind of going towards, is the smaller bags now. So this is the, it's a crossbody, so it has the straps on the inside, like this. You can wear it like that. And I love the plaid on there. It's like black and white with the little touch of red. And then it has the chestnut brown on the outside. And then we got that in the black also. So we have that in the black with the black and white check or herringbone pattern. Which menswear is such a big trend right now. That would look really good if you didn't want to fully embrace the whole menswear trend. You could, you know, you can always do it with your accessories. So this is cool. I love all of the ringed bags that I'm seeing. I'm seeing them everywhere. This is like a faux croc, and it's in that chestnut brown, but again, it has the strap, so you can make it into a crossbody if you want, and fold the rings down. So I do really like that. That's really cool. And the strap is adjustable too, so you can, you know, move it up or down to make it longer or shorter. That's really cool. Also got, oh, I love this color. This is like that olive green. It's got a little bit of a shimmer to it. And then it's got the gold hardware. And then again, it has the strap and the divided compartments inside. But I really like this. It's so ladylike. I love that shape. Let's see what else we have here. Looks like maybe it's that same bag. Yep, same bag in the black. So I love this. This might be my bag for the season. So I love that. That's really cool. And that's for, again, if you don't want to carry that big tote, you can always, you know, kind of carry a medium-sized bag. Oh, and here's just like that chestnut brown one. Ooh, this is pretty. I love this red. So this is their wine color. And I love that faux croc look. And with the rings. It just looks so high-end. Like, it just looks like a really one of the bags that you're seeing right now on the runways, but without the high-end price, of course. We have so much more. These are great just for like a simple crossbody. It can be, you put the crossbody right here on the front. And it could also be a wristlet. So it's got perfect room for your phone, credit cards, keys, and then you're off. And let's see. Ooh, this is nice. This would be perfect for going out. It's got that chain detail. Again, lots of size for your, room for your phone and credit cards. But this is kind of this would be perfect for, if you don't want to spend a ton of money on a going out bag, this would be great. And I love that gold finish. And we also got it in the pewter. Which the pewter still has that gold hardware on there, so it would still go with gold even if you wanted to do the pewter. And we also have, let's see, oh, this is just like the black one. So we also got this in the chestnut. Oh, and then also the going out bag, we did get it in the black also. So, and then it has the gold chain. Oh, this is cute. This is that, again, that brown chestnut that you can hold it like this, or it has a gold chain strap. What I love about Mealie Bianca is they're so on trend. You know, you don't have to, it's, you know, sometimes you want a classic bag, sometimes you want a trendy bag, but you don't want to invest the money in that. And I just love, that's what I love about this line, is that you don't have to spend a ton of money for something that next year may not be as trendy. We also have that same bag in the pewter. So we have this in the black, the pewter, and the chestnut. And that's the same bag in the pewter. Clearly I liked the pewter color. And this is the gold. So these are nice bags, like if you're just going to a concert or you're just going out for the night and you don't want to take your whole purse, you just want to take the essentials. You can throw these in a bag and either carry it as a clutch, you know, even if you wanted to use it as a wallet, or use it as a wristlet or with the crossbody. So I do love the multiple ways that you can wear these bags. And that's the Ellie in the gold again, gold in the black. This is the Lila. So this is really pretty. I love the round shape. And of course it has the strap where you can make it into a crossbody or a shoulder bag. So we got that in the black. And in the taupe. I love this color, it's so rich. So this taupe, love that color with the gold tone. Oh. And it does expand on the bottom. It's got the zipper where you can zip it up, or you can expand it if you need more room within the back. Pretty cool. I love bags that serve multi-purposes. All right, we're getting down to the bottom. This is the Adele. Again, has the little strap, so we have that in the saddle color and in the black. And then last but not least, oh, I think this is the Stella in the black. I love that faux croc look with the D-rings and then the strap. Very cool. Mealie Bianca, you have done great again. So we're gonna get these priced and put out for you guys. So come see us this weekend. Right now we're having our Julie Voss trunk show, and we'll have that through Sunday. So we hope to see you soon. Thanks so much for watching.